Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to the dream. Don't know how they are called. Really in the nature part 2. I know you wanted it actually. So let's go into it. No, meamua mkuje mkule mapera. Yamo huko umelota kido keje. Hebu tuende guys. So we have to do it faster because it's getting kind of late. Me and my boys. My head. So wonderful. So hey, so guys, you're not alone. You have to do it faster so that my phone my camera doesn't get snatched away from me. I've missed this place. So to be crossing again. Maruka. Huku tutapitia wapi? Jumla. Hata hivyo. Ile una foto. Hadi hapa kuna njia. Umefika? Kwani wewe ni jinga type. Sasa unaona wapi mitabo 3? Haya chini. Oh my God. Look at the river. The river flow is actually wonderful and oh my God. I'm actually scared. So mad. I'm like terrified. Huh? Nani? Trend. I'll left his shoe. I'm feeling kind of itchy. They're actually in the forest. I really like what you guys. And this video is sponsored by, designed by Airtel Super. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. Let's get back to it. Nileta chuma for protection. Kama ni ya kufilm video. Mzee Aman doesn't walk without hand. You know, not harm that. Like, oh, I'm getting injured, not that one. Oh, like, whew. You're almost. Yeah. Oh my God. Water. Oh my God. And this water is actually overflowing. Last time when you came over here, it was actually dry. Sasa unajali juu ya nini? Kai. First of all, I thought that one was a frog. I think that the water is frozen. But man, hurry up. Kai. Look at this water flowing. What is that in the sack? Sasa kwani unadhania tushafika?
Tumefika?
Yeah, almost. Tuko karibu. We are almost. Exploring the nature.
Simame hapa.
Tuko karibu, ndio zile.
Gojea.
Amazeni. The nature. So quiet out here. Just feel strange. I feel so strange. Guys. Yeah, almost. I'm back here because you said that the jeans do there. The other ones who are here to do the video thing. So come. Whew. So tired.
Finally.
Whew.
Tuvukeni.
Tuvuke.
Wenye wanabaki hapa wabaki wakulie na sisi.
This is the part one. This part one. So large. Not in a weird way. You know?
Be careful, guys.
Oh my god. Look at the river. So silent. It's satisfying. I don't know if you're going to do that. Because it's kind of scary. You know? So I'm ready. So let us go for the level 2, the one that you didn't do. Oh my god. Where is in my film? Feel weird. These mosquitoes are going to fail me. Oh my god. so slim. Whew. Finally, let's just do the other one. We've done the two of them. Now this. Oof. Go. Endeni. Si muende mkonigojea hapo.
Kwa nini?
Endeni. Sasa ni where are you asking a lot of questions? Let's go. People are scared. Just jump. Pita. Kai! Run. Hey, don't do that. Bye. We're not coming back. We're going straight home. We're back. Fine. Safe and sound. So quiet. People might come over here for a date. Like Caleb in the future. Let us see what's here. Just look the other one. So let's go home. Bye guys. Stay safe.